Mic check. Ay, gumana dito. Okay, mic check's now working. Hello? Sound check. 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening po. Magandang gabi. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Just wanna make sure this time hindi ako nagsasalita na parang tanga. I wanna make sure na live tayo and everything's working. Comments are still blank, but yeah, good evening po. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon is, meron kasi nagtanong sa akin kanina sa Facebook, Sir Lloyd, what are the technical analysis tools that I use? Yan. So, might as well, share ko na rin sa inyo, especially sa mga baguhan pa, yung kakasimula pa lang dito sa The Daily Grind. Yan, ang purpose mo kasi ng Daily Grind is to guide the newbies. Yan, mga newbies tulad mo. Sa mga stock market journeys ninyo. And one of the most important things that you need to understand is technical analysis. Right? So pag-usapan natin mamaya, the topic today is what are the technical analysis tools that I use. And before that, update muna tayo sa market. And as you can see, si Ethereum still at all-time highest levels. Si Bitcoin naman, habang si Bitcoin is bumababa. Ang nangyayari kasi is, while Bitcoin is resting, accumulating, going sideways, yung mga alternate coins, doon naglalaro ang mga traders habang hindi pa gumagalaw si Bitcoin. Right? So usually, pag si Bitcoin ang tumataas, other alternate coins magpapahinga muna. And once Bitcoin starts to slow down, attention are going to the altcoins and doon po ito-trade na naman ng mga tao. So ganun po nangyayari. And Bitcoin's going sideways right now. So far, sideways trend for us. Medyo lower ang highs natin, but overall, the major trend natin is going sideways. So best entry for Bitcoin is right here. So mga gustong pumasok kay Bitcoin, kasi most probably matatamaan yan. Those are the dips that you should be waiting for if you want to get into Bitcoin. So mga hindi pa pumapasok kay Bitcoin, diba? So yan, good evening Ishi Marimat, good evening Philip, Brian Macabenta, good evening sir. Jessica Nang, SHIB po. Alright, yeah, let's go for sulat ko na lang muna. Magta-technical analysis tayo mamaya. PSEI, update tayo kay PSEI. Another green day, right? Good news for PSEI. It's a green day. Pero 0.15 lang po ang tinubo natin, but we opened at a lower price and then closed at a bigger price. So that's good. But the big news is etong pula na ito. I'm highlighting it right now. Net foreign selling. Right? Net foreign selling po natin is at what do you call this? Is at 347 million. Yun yung lumalabas na pera. And it's been like that for how many days? Meaning, wala pong gaya anong perang pumapasok sa PSEI, especially from foreign investors. And usually, sumasama rin naman yan sa overall trend natin. So right now, PSEI is still on a downtrend. We have 2 green days already, pero net foreign selling pa rin tayo. So we're still expecting downtrend from PSEI. So reminders po ulit, it's not a very good market to trade right now sa PSEI, since if you are gonna be trading your PSEI, you're gonna go up against the main overall trend of the market. Mas malaki ang chances, right? Ganito yan. Mas malaki ang chances for technical analysis to fail if ever downtrend po. Bakit? Wala pong perang gaanong pumapasok sa market, so there's not enough money to push prices to go high. Right? So mabigat po ang selling, and there are bigger chances po na bumagsak ang isang stock. Okay? Right? So it's not advisable to trade in this kind of market, though meron pa rin kumikita dito, and these are the very good traders. Right? Marami pong magaling na traders yan. Pero, since you're still a newbie, I don't recommend you trade it. Right? I don't recommend you trade that. You're gonna go up against the big traders, the good traders. And as a newbie, who do you think will win that trade? Yes, it's gonna be the good traders. If you're a newbie, you're gonna lose money. So it's not gonna be very wise to trade here in this market. General rule in trading, follow where the money is. The money is in crypto right now. So if you really want to trade, you really want to earn in trading, especially day trading, punta kayo sa crypto. The volatility is there, money is there, so mas madali po i-trade ngayon sa crypto. Okay? So let's go to the comments really quick. May gabi, Sir Dogecoin. Yan, si Dogecoin. Gonna write this down, okay? Si Dogecoin nagpo-pullback pa di ba? But let's check out Doge's chart. Dogecoin. Ayun, nag-bounce sa MA20. So, we talked about Doge yesterday. MA20 is the right place to test it out. Yeah, that's a buy right there. But I'm not saying na it's a buy na aakyat po yan. We are seeing bearish signals right here. Mas mababa po yung momentum niya dito sa highs na ito compared sa highs na ito. So, it's lesser momentum pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na mas magfa-fail na ito. Maganda siyang bilhin ngayon because it's low risk and this is the right area to buy. So, if you really want to get into Dogecoin and buy the dips, and this is the dip right here, MA20 bounce, it's been following the uptrend line right there. It's the best time to test it out. The very low risk siya. Just in case bumaba, you know where to stop loss. Okay? If ever iti-trade nyo man lang ito. As for Dogecoin, Rick Berredo, good evening sir. Magtutuloy-tuloy po ba ang pullback ng big companies sa US market? Nasdaq 100, ang laki ng pullback. NSDQ 100. And so, laki ng pullback ng NSDQ, but we expected that already. If ever lalakas man talaga ang pullback na ito, we're looking at these levels right here around 12,500 to 12,700. Diyan po magre-recover ang market again. Alright? During the pandemic levels, hindi naman gaanong grabe yung drop niya. Right? So, this is a drop for the pandemic level right now, there's no pandemic. It's just that topish yung market. Medyo nasa taas yung mga presyo. So we were expecting a pullback after this double tops like right here. And we're expecting recovery at 12,500. The earnings of the companies were very good. So we're expecting not very huge pullbacks from that point, right? At this point. Hi po sir, XRP po at Dogecoin. XRP. Si XRP naman, kamusta natin? Ripple. And so si Ripple, medyo malakas na yung resistance kay Ripple So, resistances for Ripple right there. There is a support right here pero nag-fail na siya isang beses. Nag-bounce naman sa Ripple. It's gonna be very challenging. Malapit tayo sa resistance kay Ripple. Best bet natin kay Ripple is at $1. That's gonna be the best entry point for Ripple right now. Medyo mataas na si Ripple and it's already showing us bearish signals at this point. Bernie Pimentel, good evening po sir. Good evening po. Renan Villa, may gabi. Sir, pa-check sana si ASEN at pa-share naman po ano mostly mangyayari after FOO po. Depende what usually happens is if there's FOO offers, yung presyo nagsa-stalemate lang muna. Alright? Kasi ganito po mangyayari. If I am an investor, let's say for example kay ASEN, if I wanna be an investor kay ASEN, titignan ko ang presyo sa market. And then, titignan ko yung presyo ng FOO. Mas mura sa FOO, so doon ako bibili sa FOO instead. Or kaysa sa stock doon sa market kay ASEN. So, tendency is, markets will drop to near the price ng FOO kasi mawawalan ng demand kasi gusto ng mga tao doon sa FOO instead bumili. Usually kasi mas mura ang ino-offer na FOO. And then, after that, magsa-stabilize naman agad ang market, especially for good companies like ASEN. I think it's gonna stabilize. The market, it's been pretty stable. I don't think the FOO will affect it a lot when in terms of trading. Pero, depende po sa presyo. Usually, lumalapit yung market price sa presyo. AI Lagan, check po sana si ASEN. Tingnan muna natin si ASEN pala. ASEN. Ayan. So, ASEN, after the support right here, we talked about this support for ASEN. This is the best entry points. And nag-confirm pa ng support dito. Galing so, ASEN, medyo mataas na si ASEN. Malapit na siya sa resistances level. This is the first resistance, second resistance. So, your entry point right here, hindi na maganda yung upside. Like, wait for it to pull back and bounce before you wanna get in ASEN. Okay. Franz Kivillas, good evening. Jobert, hapit na may tournament, sir. Nanood si Jobert Kuya din. Nag-comment si Jobert. Alright, so Doge and Shib po. Ayan. May request kanina kay Shib So yeah, let's talk about Shib for a bit. Alright, we'll start the top. Is this Shib or Shib? Is it Shib? Or is SHIB crypto ba si SHIB? Ayan, crypto nga pala si SHIB. Bago. I don't know what in the world SHIB is or what it is for or what markets or what stores accepts SHIB. Dalawa lang ang bar niya, so 2 araw pa lang ito. Bago lang ba itong crypto na ito? I don't know what it is for, so I can't tell as of this moment. Wala tayong technical analysis at this point, so it's more of fundamentals of crypto. So please do your part sa fundamentals nito. I'm not gonna be commenting on this. Right, si Doge, we already covered Doge. Pa-check no si EPD. This is from James Calatrava. Enterprise products. Pero lakas na resistance. But there is bullish pattern involved right here. So if you really want to trade this one, let it break out. That is where you get in. Alright. This is for, what do you call this? EPD. Sir, any idea po kay SafeMoon? Thanks po. I don't really have an idea about SafeMoon. So, can't comment on it. Tignan nga natin. Meron bang technical analysis sa SafeMoon? Ayaw lumabas eh. John, good evening. Apple po, AAPL, massive pullback for Apple. Medyo malaki yung talo ko kay Apple kagabi. That's okay. Supports for Apple is at this area. Apple still a very good and growing company. So we're still expecting Apple to recover again soon. So I bought more Apple during this line right here. And then, okay pa naman yung position natin kay Apple. Right? Tron po, sir. Kamusta natin si Tron Incorporated? Tron Incorporated. Is this the right company? Tron Inc. Tingnan natin nga dito. Ayan, ito. Ba yan? TRX. No, not TRX. Tron. Yun nga, TRX nga. Alright, so Tron naman bro. Lakas na resistance dito. Bumabagsak after that one. 1, 2, 5. Supports po tayo. Let's get in supports kay Tron. Or on a breakout lang. Because we're looking at very high positions right now. Support dito around 0.981. Around that level. Saka nyo pasukin. So medyo mataas na si Tron bro. Daniel Lira, ETH po and XRP sir. ETH is way up high, up there. Stay away from it. Wait for the pullback should you really wanna get in kay ETH. Magpapahinga po yan tulad ng mga ginagawa nito, dito. So right now, medyo malakas yung hatak ni Ethereum pataas. But the green ones are already starting to close inside the Bollinger Band. So humihina na yung momentum niya. So this is about time for this to pull back. Let it pull back before you wanna get in Ethereum. Same with the XRP. Si XRP, medyo mataas pa si XRP. So, supports lang kay XRP. Abangan nyo sa support ulit kay XRP around $1 per XRP. Dahil dyan, Mamay, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Good evening Sir Lloyd. Dogecoin po. Dogecoin, nakakabounce lang. That's the best time to get in Dogecoin. Right, so, Doge. Tinatawanan namin to na crypto noon eh, na we weren't really expecting for Dogecoin to go up this high. But yeah, speaking of Dogecoin, we are on the trend line. That's the best time to test it out should you want to trade it. If you want to go hold Dogecoin, this is the best time to buy. Next is the next stabilization for Dogecoin. But yeah, it's a buy. Vet sir from Andrew Santos. Let's check out the vet. Check mic. Okay lang mo yung mic natin. Okay na. Alright, Vermilion. Pag naririnig ko yung linya na yan, I remember my old school game Ragnarok, si Vermilion. Downtrend was right here. Breakout was the best entry point. I wanted to pull back, man. Let it pull back muna or around MA20K pumasok since napakalapit niya na sa resistance. Best entry would be a pullback right here. That's for Vet. Janine Azarcon, good evening. SKT from Jet Michael. Is this South Korea Telecom? SKT or Tanger? Tanger Factory Outlet Centers Incorporated. Lakas na resistance dito sa area na ito. Best bet would be a support right here. Medyo nagsa-sideways naman siya. So, sideways trade lang muna tayo. Right? Or if it breaks out from that one, sige, dyan yun lang pasubukin. But, okay naman yung ano niya. Okay naman yung trend line niya. Yung buying niya pataas naman. But, this is overall on a sideways trend. On a sideways trend kasi, what you can do really is range trade lang muna. So, buy here, sell here. So, hopefully nakapasok kayo sa support and then you sold at the resistance. Right? Kasi lakas na resistance dito. GK Boy, Vet, we covered it already. If new sa crypto, anong currency po magandang mag-start? This is from Gracie Chelis. Alright. So, yung kasama natin na seminar noon dito, alright, a crypto expert. Anong crypto ba magandang mag-start? Start with the stable cryptos, di ba? And try to hold it. Hold, and kung hindi pa naman kayo marunong mag-trade, then best po na gawin nyo po sa crypto is really just to buy and invest, right? Buy it because you want to invest in it. You can trade it if marunong kayo mag-trade. But right now, medyo mataas na ang crypto. So the best strategy you can do is really buy and hold. You buy some right now while it's expensive. If it goes lower, then buy some doon sa baba and then look at it in the near future. Long term po ang titingnan natin ngayon for crypto. If you're asking sa anong magandang coin magsimula, right? Start with the large cap coins, start collecting some, right? Hinay-hinay lang, collect some coins para bang nangongolekta lang. So, whenever it dips, you buy some. Kung mumura pa, you buy some. Hanggang sakto lang sa budget nyo. Because remember, again, crypto is still very risky. Why? The price is subjective. Nothing's backing it up. Nagbaback lang nito is just the demand, supply and demand. So, still very crazy tong crypto. So, just go for large crypto lang muna and then study the new cryptos. Study the new altcoins, and then if may magustuhan kayo, parang business lang. Kasi whenever an altcoin comes out, the people who created it will present something. They will present what this crypto is for, anong countries is serve nila, etc., etc. If maganda yung presentation nila, and if you like to invest in it, buy some of those crypto. But that's how you have to study the cryptos first before you want to get in. Daniel Lira, thank you sir, you're welcome. Cardano po sir, kamustahin natin si Ada. Sila Ada, mataas na yun, di ba? Ayan. So Ada just broke out. Best entry point 1.5 is your best entry point for Ada. Should you want to buy this breakout, okay? Mas maganda po yung dip na yun. Nagdidip na siya at 1.5. Look at this right here. Very, very usual trades po natin. General technical analysis, previous resistance was right here. So when it broke out, nag-break out dito, that's an entry point right there. Nag-pull back, saan siya nag-bounce? Right? Sa previous resistance. Yan yung tinuturo natin about breakouts before. After a breakout, the previous resistance tend to become support, and there it is. Nag-bounce na right there, si Ada. That's the best entry point should you wanna trade it. So, pwede pa naman siyang bumalik dyan sa baba. That's gonna be your best entry point if you wanna enter Cardano. Nas.ol po, sir. This is from Philip Macabenta. Mukhang mag-ano na tayo ngayon na. Mukhang charting na lang tayo ngayon. So, yeah, let's do charting instead, right? Anyways, we can always talk about a different topic. Nasol! Ayan. Ang problema ko kay Nasol, we covered this before. I don't really know for sure what caused the gap down. Right here. So we are at Nasol support levels. I don't know what caused the gap down. Maybe bad news. If ever bad news ang nangyari dito, then stay away from it. There's volatility on the downside. And mukhang nagko-close pa siya under the Bollinger Bands if you wanna zoom in. If we can zoom in right here, nakita nyo po yan. It closed under the Bollinger Band. So momentum on the downside is still very strong. So Stay away from it even if it's at the support levels. Palantir and Bionano, PLTR, PLTR. Kumusta natin si Palantir? Nag-support din si Palantir pero nahila ng Nasdaq na market. So, if ever you traded Palantir and then you entered this support, you know what to do ha? If you're trading this one right here, we checked out this support. Wala pong green kay Palantir dito, so wala tayong buy zone. And then, look at that. Momentum on the downside. So, stay away from Palantir for now. Okay? Stay away from Palantir for now. Bionano naman, BNGO. Yan. So, Bionano is very near the buy levels once again. Alright? So, very near the buy levels. Meron tayong buy kay Bionano. Nagpula siya. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, always wait for the green muna. Wait for the green before you wanna get in. Alright? Sa mga nakapasok na sa green na ito, that's all good. Right? Now, what we have to do is, if ever bumagsak man, you know that we need to cut our losses. Right? That's the right thing to do. Right? Hindi po ibig sabihin na pinasok niyo yan dyan. Actually, if you entered this green right here, you did the right thing in trading. But the market is not all the time predictable. It can go against you. Like right now, Nasdaq is dropping. So even the supports are dropping. So there's a very high chance na baka bumagsak ito. So if ever bumagsak ito, the next right thing to do is cut your losses. Cut loss. Right? Always remember this. When you trade and you followed your technical analysis, you entered in a very low risk position, then you did the right thing. If the market goes red and that's not your fault, you have to do the next right thing to do, which is cut your losses if you're trading this one. Okay? So, ingat po sa position na yan. If ever hindi pa nakapasok, let it go green muna before you wanna get in. Solid Ragnaroks, nag-ROM ka din ba? Actually, hindi. Yung pinakaunang Ragna ng mga service ang pinasok ko. Yung mobile, hindi na. Nag-try ako noon mag-mobile sa Ragnarok, kaso nga lang, yun nga ang problema talaga sa mga games na grind, MMORPG is very grindy. Wala na akong oras ngayon since may pamilya na. So, medyo mahirap na ang games. Right? Von Soriano, good evening sir. 𝐴𝑃L po sir, may ibababa pa kaya? Yes, I think so. May ibababa pa ang 𝐴𝑃L. Right now, it's dropping with the market and it's, let me take a screenshot para mas madrawingan ko. So, right now, it's closing inside the Bollinger Bands. There's a big chance that it will drop here in the major supports. That is where you will want to wait for Apple before you want to get in. Okay? So, that's for Apple. Let me go to the comments here in Facebook. Idol, pacheck SPCE. Is this? Yan. Virgin Galactic. Right. So, SPCE. Yan. Sumasama rin sa market overall. Bumabagsak pa for now si SPCE but we're reaching very good support levels. Abangan nyo to muna. Right. Let it stabilize. So, I want this to stabilize. Maybe create a support. Actually, gumaganda na yung RSI niya eh. Pero the market right now is dropping kaya bumabagsak pa rin. The supports are not being followed. So, abangan nyo to. Put this in your watch list. Right? ICP, sir. This is from Christopher Gutierrez. ICP. Ano yan? Intercept Pharma? ICPT si ICP eh. Intermediate Capital Group. Ito ba? Si ICG naman to. So, I don't think this is the right one. But yeah. Yun. Alright, so, Guitar God Apple pre-market is 123.32 na. 𝐴𝑃L. So, mas mababa pa. Alright, so that's good for the investors kung gusto pumasok kay Apple. The lower the price, the better for you guys. Should you wanna get in Apple, abangan nyo muna sa baba, right? Shiba coin po. Okay. Shiba is a coin pala. So, Shiba Inu. I think ginawa nila yan para pang disk kay kay Dogecoin. Shiba Crypto. Yan. Sabi ng Abe, Shiba Inu na naman eh. Right? Ginawa nila ito. Come on guys. Ito si Doge. Is a Shiba Inu. Pangontra nila kay Dogecoin is Shiba Inu coin. Sabi ng Abe. I don't know what in the world Shiba coin is for. Alright, so 5 things to know about the new cryptocurrency na Shiba. And gumawa na naman sila ng aso na crypto. It comes crypto fans are a hunt for next success story. Follow Bitcoin. Buying cryptocurrency. 5 risk crypto. Shiba Inu is a token. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency meme token and allows users to hold trillions of them. According to its website, these tokens are listed, incentivized, and Uniswap, its own decentralized exchange. Lock 50% of total supply to Uniswap while the remaining, its value has surged in 24 hours. Yes, we saw that in the chart earlier. But the thing is, I don't get into a crypto because of the surge. I want to know what it is for. It aims to replicate the success of Dogecoin. What is it for? Pang-collection ng archives, the told son appears to have been created to give Dogecoin a run for its money. Features the same with Dog, which became a meme, blah blah blah. The value of Dogecoin surged thanks to celebrity backing, while that Shiba token website said nickname the Dogecoin killer. RC20 only, taken blah blah blah. See, it doesn't even say what this coin is for. I don't know. I'll read more about this, man, but it's fishy, man. Pero dun din nang simula si ano eh. Maybe people are gonna be collecting it. If ever magko-collect ng mga tao ng Shiba, then it should go up. So if you wanna get into it, make sure lang dun kayo sa supports, okay? As for Shiba, same Wild Drift na lang ako ngayon. Ang maganda sa Wild Drift is ano lang eh. Tawag nito. Whenever you can play, you can play. Sir, this is from Romulan Bonayos, IMI and JGS po. Let's check out IMI. At IMI, downtrend pa pre, so stay away from it for now. After IMI, si JGS, JG Summit. Creating a support. There's a good support right here for JGS. Yung annual earnings niya, medyo malaki naman yung drop. But double digit lang naman. Since it's ano. But yeah, still on a downtrend. There's a possible support right here. Actually, hindi siya possible support. It's a good support right here. I wanted to break from the downtrend for the meantime before you wanna get in. Just for further confirmation since bearish naman ang PSCI. So, before you wanna get in. BSC. This is from Jessica ng BSC. Supports right here for BSC. So, let it confirm the support lang muna. Right? Let it go sideways before you wanna get in BSC. Okay? So, I think it's starting to go sideways already. So, pag nag-green yan bukas, you can test it out. So, good evening. Pwede po pa-check si Coin. This is from John Reyes. Reyes, right? Coin. Coinbase? Yes. Coinbase. Ayan. There's a search for Coinbase already after IPO. This is the IPO right here. Bumagsak. This is a good search for Coinbase, pero wala pa tayong technical analysis nito. The very best thing we can do is let it bounce. Pull back and bounce and confirm a support, and the very least that's gonna be your entry point for Coinbase. Paulo David, good evening sir. Good evening po. Janer Diano, good evening sir. International po. Si Wix. Wix.com? Yeah, Wix.com. Going sideways, my man. So, dito po natin subukan si Wix. Pag nag-green po dyan, that's the best time to test out Wix.com Limited. Very good company right here. Very innovative. And Wix is very strong still right now. So, malapit na siya sa support niya. Abangan natin sa support since pula naman siya yesterday. Okay, ito. So, Ramin Sepasi, sir, paano po ginagamit ang Bollinger Band strategy with RSI with it po? Whenever I look at Bollinger Bands, hindi ko na po tinitignan si RSI. Ang ginagawa ko lang po sa RSI really is whenever I use supports, Tinitignan ko if RSI is going up. If it's going up, then that support is getting stronger and stronger. So that is basically why I use RSI whenever I look at supports. Okay? Also, if ever mataas na kung pwede pa bang habulin, tinitignan ko ito. So if ever yung tops niya is umaakyat pero bumababa na RSI, that means the tops are getting weaker. So I don't wanna chase those anymore. So saka ko nagamit si RSI during supports and the tops and resistances. Bollinger Bands, I use Bollinger Bands basically to check out if ever yung support niya gumaganda na, right? Whenever there's an engulfing pattern that happens, like saan ba yung engulfing pattern dito? Ito, engulfing pattern like this happens. Usually that creates a support and gumawa nga siya ng support. And I look at the RSI during those supports and look at the RSI starting to go up. This would have been a buy for me, and that would have been a short win for trade. So I use Bollinger Bands and then continue to supports, and then I transition to RSI after that. So that's how I use it. This is for Ramin Sepasi. Okay? Especially for position trades. Actually, gusto kong pag-usapan yung technical analysis ko, and I want to explain this to you guys slowly, pero medyo bitin na tayo sa oras ngayon. It's already 8:34. So, Wednesday bukas. Sige, bukas natin i-continue yung topic ko talaga. Yun yung tanong niya isa yun sa mga tanong dapat for the topic ngayon. Paano ko ba ginagamit yung mga technical analysis ko? Topic today should have been how I use my technical analysis. Pag-usapan na lang natin yan bukas. Right? This is from NF Kimson. Sir, good evening. Can you advise? Am I looking for downtrend now on BCH? Is it a good time or just wait for some time? BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin is on an uptrend. So, ito yung sinasabi mo, is this a downtrend already for Bitcoin Cash? No, this is not yet a downtrend. Overall, we're looking at an uptrend for Bitcoin Cash. This is just accumulation period. So Bitcoin Cash is still on an uptrend. MA20 is gonna be your best entry points. Those dips are gonna be very important. Mga dips lang po. Starting to dip right now. Pero Bitcoin Cash masyado mataas na eh. This is RSI that we're looking at. Let me just So look at this right here. Pataas yung presyo niya. But RSIs are already starting to go down on the tops. So mas mahina na yung top niya this time. So this is starting to weaken already. So best bet na lang talaga is wait for a pullback and bounce. It will pull back. If ever hindi, then that's okay. That means na pag-iwanan na tayo. Kasi at this point, this can still, I can be wrong. Don't get me wrong. This can go up right there. Pero at that point, you're already gambling. Right? Hindi na very risky na yung position na yan. That's already gambling. So it's not a trade you wanna take. Okay? So very risky. If ganyan na yung position niya, napag-iwanan na tayo. If ever lumipad pa yan, that's okay. You did the right thing, not getting in. Kasi if ever papasok yan, what if bumagsak? Anything can happen. And you're gonna lose a lot. Okay. Ramin Repasi, yes. Thank you, sir. Last lang po. Pag nag-breakout, lumalagpas po ba sa Bollinger Band? Is it fake out po? Actually, hindi. If ever lumalagpas sa Bollinger Bands, that's an indicator usually, right? Of momentum. I know for a fact if a stock, if kaka-breakout, if an asset nakaka-breakout lang, may magandang momentum right here. Right, so it broke out with Bollinger Band closing above, with the price closing above the Bollinger Bands, and that's good momentum right there. That becomes the support, and then there it is, umaakyat after that. So if Bollinger Band is touched, then if it closes above the Bollinger Bands, then there's strong momentum in it. Okay. Thanks, sir. Have a nice evening. This is from Annette Kimson. You're welcome po. Alright, so same with everyone. Hopefully everyone will have a very good evening. Okay? So, speaking of crypto, alam ko maraming tao ngayon, especially newbies who wants to go into crypto. ℎ.com, magkakaroon po kami ng Crypto 101. It's beginner's guide for Pinoys. Just go to ℎ.com. Hindi pa siya available ngayon. ℎ.com. Meron kami mga free courses dito, and we are creating a free course for crypto also. Right? Magkakaroon po kayo ng access dyan. This is gonna be for free. Then, meron kaming mga materials for Crypto 102. Ito na yung mas advanced na when it comes to crypto. If you want to trade it, ano dapat tinitingnan, etc. We're still creating it right now, but it is going to be yours. You can access it for free if ever gagawa kayo ng Binance account using our StockSed link. Andyan po sa video description yung link ng ng Binance. So, I'm just gonna post it in the comments also. Right, so if ever gagawa kayo ng Binance account, if you wanna go into crypto and collect some coins, dyan po ang Binance is siya pinaka-trusted na trading platform for crypto right now. So check out Binance. Use that link and then create an account using that one. Okay? And then if ever mafundan nyo na, you can access our Crypto 102 lessons for free. Right? Libre namin yan sa inyo. So, create a Binance account right there. Also, Thursday, abangan nyo po. I'm already doing my research. Pero tignan nyo po on Thursday. It's gonna be Copy Trading Thursday. We'll talk about traders who are into crypto. Right? Sino ba magandang kopyahin? Kasi masakit sa ulong crypto. Even me, masakit na para sa akin ng crypto. So I'm just gonna be looking for someone to copy trade who is more involved in crypto, and I'm gonna be sharing my research to you guys. So Copy Trading Thursday, abangan nyo po. So I'll see you Thursday about that. This is from Yuchibot. Pag lumagpas po sa upper band, would it be prudent to just wait for correction? Yes po. Right? I always wait for it at MA20. Check out my Bollinger Bands video sa YouTube po. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you better. Right? So, go to youtube.com, and my YouTube channel is Financial Freedom 101. I have so many videos right here, and you can search for Bollinger Bands. Right, so eto po, detail per detail. Tinuro ko po dito how you are gonna be asan na yun? Right, search your channel, Bollinger. Ito, Bollinger Bands. So yeah, I'll post the comments I'll post the link directly. That's for our Bollinger Bands video. Mas intense po itong Bollinger Band lesson na ito for you. So how to use Bollinger Bands, check that out. Meron din for you how to test it. Good evening, Lloyd. Michael Eugenio. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Please include Bollinger Bands in your technical analysis discussion next time. Do you have any previous video focusing on Bollinger Bands? Thanks. Jan. Right. So, I don't think we need to discuss this. If ever, panoorin nyo lang po yan. Mas intense po yan. One of my favorite talaga na mga technical analysis is Bollinger Bands. I'm not gonna be able to give it justice in our live. So, mas maganda po, tingnan nyo yung video na yan. Pinaghirapan ko po yan. So, 1-hour video about Bollinger Bands. Lahat ng mga strategies na pwede nyo gawin with Bollinger Bands. Zari Azucena, hi sir po, pwede po mag-request kay Pandix. Sige, last to. Let's check it out. Pandix. Hi Sir Lloyd, Ada, ano sa tingin nyo? Ano yung Pandix? Pandix. Not really sure what Pandix is, so sorry about that. Si Cardano naman, masyadong mataas si Ada. Wait for it to pull back before you wanna get in. Previous resistance po is the support. So 1.5 is gonna be the best entry. Get in 1.5 as near as 1.5 as you can before you wanna get in. Actually, nag-bounce na siya sa 1.5. Umaangat na siya. So medyo napag-iwanan na tayo, but the best entry is 1.5. Get in near that for you to get in properly. Alright. Nga pala, if gagawa kayo ng eToro account, please use my link. Andyan po sa video description, should you want to create an eToro account. Prepare your eToro account para po sa Thursday natin na lesson about copy trading. So this is my eToro account. eToro referral link. Please use that link if you want to create an eToro account. That helps me a lot. If you want to support me and donate to me, Dyan po, patreon.com, nasa baba, patreon.com/lbazaar. You can donate to me. Hindi po mapupunta sa akin yan. It goes to the kids, to the youth that I am helping right now. Meron ako mga tinutulungan dito sa bahay ngayon ng mga kabataan. And also, not just there, I'm also creating events sa mga kabataan natin ngayon. So, I'm expanding my influence to the youth through esports, and then try to influence them into financial literacy also. That's the way, that's how I think I can, that's, for me kasi education is the way to solve poverty in the Philippines, right? So I'm gonna be teaching these kids how to become successful in the future. But anyways, yeah, if you want to donate to me, nothing goes to me, it goes to everyone I'm helping right now. So check out patreon.com/lbazaar. If ever magbibigay kayo ng malaking amount, then I'm gonna give you something in return. I'm gonna give you access to all my seminars, previous seminars with trading masterclass. Lahat po na mga ginagawa ko for trading, etc. Andun po sa seminar na yon. Check out patreon.com/lbazaar for it. That's gonna be it for me this evening. Hi sir, tanong ko lang po kung ano insights nyo kay Dito's release in Metro Manila this May. Thank you. Actually, that's very good for Dito. I think that's gonna help Dito a lot. Ang ganda ng Dito. I'm using Dito for my data already. Even sa province na lakas ni Dito, when I thought it's going to be Smart and Globe that will help me, no. It was Dito who helped me sa probinsya. I think Dito is gonna be very good. Makita nyo po sa mga mall, if ever may mga SIM ni Dito pinipilahan. So dyan sa Manila, for sure, it's gonna be very big. So I think it's gonna be big for Dito, and that will help Dito in the future, especially sa price nila. So if ever hindi pa kayo nakabili ng Dito, pili na kayo ng Dito na stocks, okay? That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Yung topic natin about my technical analysis, pag-usapan natin yan to us. See you dito. This is Leoric right here. Say hi, everyone. So, enjoy the rest of the evening, and as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Enjoy.